Anders, we never expected na in just short amount of time magawa nila yun. Eh, mga box jumps, ganun. Even yung mga athletes na medyo hidaran na or medyo sa first very weak or weakling, ganun. Pero ngayon, right now, parang athlete na talaga.
So, you've been training the past few months, so just enjoy lang the games. So, sa games, bale, give it all you got na. It's time to perform. So, let's see what you will bring to the games after you've been training for 3 months. Okay, so have fun, always be positive. Ano mang hardship or worth it naman siya, di ba? Kasi you see the results. Sa body pa lang, based sa body. So actually, it's not about kung ano yung reward sa result, but what made the metamorphic training made you. So yung parang change you for the better. So always progress and always strive for success. Good job, guys.
Remember lang yung past days, mga hard work natin, mga pinagpagtuturan siguro labas natin sa games. So, masabi na nila Sir Steve, Coach Victor, lahat. So, have fun lang guys sa MPIT Games and good luck to you guys. We struggle, nahirapan tayo at first, but we strive and we stand and magpursige talaga. And we believe to ourselves na kaya natin, kung isipin natin na kaya, kakayanin talaga. So, good luck guys.
Message ko sa mga athletes is sa day na yan, just perform at your best talaga. Tapos, just compete with yourself. So, lahat ng mga days, weeks na nag-training tayo for the metamorphic, ito na yun. Yung parang judgment day. Tapos, yun. Just enjoy the day. And I'm sure you will surprise yourself and the other athletes with your performance. Basta go lang ng go and give your best to me.
Points.